Let me just come back. Well, once or twice in our conversation, I've alluded to things that the moves that you make that are similar to moves that a dualist might make, and in many ways, constitutionalism might seem, given the theme of our book, which is of course,
substance dualism
and its physicalist rivals, and I suppose you're one of the rivals in that sense in our book, and we're grateful for that. But there's a sense in which constitutionalism seems to attempt to appropriate the benefits of immaterialist dualism by offering us a kind of materialist dualism, and we've thought about that in terms of properties in our conversation, but certainly a duality. I'm not identical to my body, and so my body and I each exist simultaneously as distinct material objects, but we're composed of the same material simples.
Right.
There's no physical distinction between us in that sense. So a question there might be, and this comes back to something you've said previously, I think, but does constitutionalism then not suffer from a problem of too many thinkers? I am a thinker, my body...
It's not a thinker.
But it's materially indistinguishable from
And it's materially indistinguishable, but why on earth would you infer from that it is that it's got to have exactly the same properties? It doesn't.
So if thinking is something that is achieved by me as a material thing, and I am composed wholly of the same material things as my body, then functionally, in that sense, we are indistinguishable. Why should I think and my body not think?
Because your body is only does not have. If you're thinking something that manifests your inner life or your robust first-person perspective, then there's no reason to think your body can do that. It can't. Your body can only do that because your body constitutes you, a person. That is, your body is a person derivatively. You're a person non-derivatively. So we don't have any conflict here. We have your body doesn't have a robust first-person perspective non-derivatively. It only has one derivatively.
Just to press it a little bit. So if I, John, am 6 feet tall, then I have that property derivatively because my body is 6 feet tall.
Right.
But it's true to say that I am 6 feet tall.
Sure, it's always true to say that you are. That you have these derivative properties.
So given that then, if it's true to say that I, John, am a thinker, then is it not true to say that my body thinks derivatively?
That's true, but it doesn't
What does it mean to be a derivative thinker?
It means to be a thinker in virtue of constituting something that's a thinker non-derivatively.
So there's a sense in which it's...
Constitution, it comes back to constitution.
So it's true to say that I am 6 feet tall and my body is 6 feet tall and we're different things.
And it's not true to say, it does not follow that there are now two things that are 6 feet tall, you and your body. It just doesn't follow. In fact, I've got that in some article I've written on the argument for that.
Okay.
But I can't say that I recall it right now.
That's all right. No problem. Thank you for that. It's an interesting point.